Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about my favorite makeup products, and I hope that you like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, please consider giving it a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I posted quite a few videos about Cartier, Van Cleef and Arpels, Bvlgari, Rolex, luxury tips and mistakes, Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. So let's begin. I actually recently finished quite a few of my products and I went to Chanel and replaced some of them. So I will start with Chanel products and then I'll talk about my favorite Sephora products as well. I typically use this eyeshadow. Is there some kind of number? The name is 334 Modern Glamour. I'll show you how it looks inside. These are the colors that I use. This is my absolute favorite combination. And I typically mix this one and this, or sometimes this one and this. But actually I prefer the top. Otherwise it's too dark, but back in the day I used to just wear this, the dark one, or this too. But now I don't want it to be too dark and I go for the lighter option. I use them all the time. I tried so many colors before, but not many of them suit me. Next up is my eyeliner. I don't have the packaging to show you, I didn't save it, but I use this one all the time. Dark gray. By the way, it's waterproof and it doesn't get smudged, which is great. I also ran out of my mascara, so I got the new one so I can show you the packaging of it. Number 10 in black. Actually, I have recently discovered this one for myself, but after I tried it on, I just fell in love with it. So this is the same that I typically use. The brush is quite comfortable and I like the fact that this mascara doesn't get smudged, unlike with other brands. I like the brush, it's pretty good. It gives the volume. I highly recommend this one. I have a few lipsticks actually. Maybe I'll start with the one I'm wearing at the moment. It's called Light Rose. Number 40. Light Rose. So two sides. Here is the first layer. It's a bit dark. And then this one I put on top. Let me show you how it looks. I mean, it's quite dark. I also love another shade, number 57. I have two of them and you can see I almost finished it. This shade suits me more, but it's not always available. Yeah, it's called Darling Pink 57. The same here. Also finishing. I think I'm gonna just use them a couple of times and then I'm gonna let them go. It's pretty good. I like the fact that it doesn't come off easily. And yeah, I can wear it for hours and it doesn't dry my lips. I'm really finishing it. Here in comparison. Both of them side by side. I definitely prefer the one on the left. It suits me so much more. Oh well, I hope I'll get more stock soon. And also I have another one which is just a lip gloss. It's number 96 Rouge Coco Gloss. It's perfect for a daily wear. It doesn't dry my lips, which is great and important. The tint is quite light, you can actually hardly see it, but it's fine for me. I use it a lot, especially in the office, because I feel like the aircon dries my lips. But I don't like to wear it when walking on the streets, because if it's windy, my hair gets stuck to my lips. I don't like it. And there is also another pencil that they have here. I got a few of these when I attended Chanel's private launch event, and I'm not sure if it's available for sale. I hope it is, because when I will run out of it, I would like to get more for sure. It feels quite comfortable as well, and I love the shade. This is the shade. Number 1, Nude. It's pretty good. I like it. I also have this lipstick, and it's by Origins. It's almost see-through. It's a lip balm, and it's great to wear for a daily basis. It makes my lips softer, and I like it. It has a small, tiny tint. You can hardly see it, just a touch of color. Another product that I have is this gel for eyebrows. I bought it on Sephora. I'll try to find it. If I can't find it, at least I will add the names of it in the description box below so you guys can check it out. Another product that I use is this highlighter. I haven't used it lately. I think I need to get some suntan because it's a bit darker than my skin tone right now. This one is quite light, it doesn't clog my pores and feels quite comfortable on my skin. Whenever I get a bit more suntan, I use it more to cover up spots and dark circles. It's called Light Clear. It doesn't get smudged, and there is also another side. I like the fact that there are two options. And actually sometimes I prefer the hard pencil. Somehow it's easier for me to apply it. I also use another one. It's called Fair One. It's pretty good. It's very light. It also feels quite good on my skin, and it doesn't clog my pores, which is great. Here are both shades side by side. I also got this 24 hours brow setter, which is quite good. It helps to shape the eyebrows, and it doesn't leave eyebrows looking like they're glued, which is great, and that's why I like it. It's by Benefit. It's the same, it's also see-through, and then you can just apply it on your eyebrows. Also, the brush is quite comfortable to use. Anyways, guys, this is it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!